Hello, everyone. Welcome to Joyoshare. Today's video is going to teach you how to trim videos on Windows 10 in 2 fast ways. The first way is to use the Photos app in Windows 10. To begin with, open your Photos app and add the video you want to trim. Press the New Video button and create a new project. Then you can tap the Add button to load up your video. Now you need to drag your video to the project library. You can find a trim button below the preview window. Click on it and you will be able to trim your video by dragging the slider. Now you can press the Finish Video button to export and save your video. You can also adjust the output video quality. After that, your trimmed video will be opened automatically and you can play to check it.
You know what would happen if anyone knew we had a rat in our kitchen? Go!
If you want to trim video on Windows 10 locally and use more editing tools, you can use Joyoshare VidiKit. First, run Joyoshare VidiKit on your computer and open the video cutter. You can press the Open File button or drag and drop to add your video.
Finest restaurants and the greatest chefs in the world.
Then you can tap the Format button to choose your trimming mode and output format. The encoding mode will enable you to edit and enhance video freely. You can select your wanted format and adjust its parameters. The high-speed mode can help you trim and cut video on Windows 10 without losing quality. Now you can start to use this tool to trim video on Windows 10 in 3 ways. You can drag the slider freely to select your trimming segment. Click the plus icon to add more processing tracks.
I've lost so many. I don't know how to cook.
You can also make use of the Set Segment Start Time and Set Segment End Time button.
You understand me? I can't cook, but you can, right?
Another way to select the trimming segment is to set up the start time and end time of the clip manually.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? We just need to work out a system so that I do what you want.
Stop that!
Stop what?
You can also press the Merge Segments button before trimming your video.
Stay away
Finally, you can press the Start button to begin to trim and save your video. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.